The molds in our electric fireplace factory play a crucial role during the manufacturing process. The primary use of molds is as the model or blueprint for producing electric fireplaces, enabling us to manufacture fireplaces of consistent shape, size, and internal structure. The shape and size of the molds are designed with great precision to ensure that all of our fireplaces meet the design specifications. Moreover, molds are also used to form specific parts of the electric fireplace, such as the casing and internal chamber. These parts can be precisely manufactured with the help of the molds, ensuring the overall uniformity and long-term stability of the quality, meeting the functional and aesthetic requirements of electric fireplaces. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.